model FTVS-300 vacuum pumping system is manufactured by FUOOTECH since 2005. PLC and touchscreen realize the high automation operation. Operation process auto operation mode. Connect the correct 3 phases power supply. Switch on the main circuit breaker. PLC touchscreen HMI is on to welcome page. Click the finger icon to enter into main interface. Click the manual button to switch to auto mode. Click the auto start button to start up the system automatically. Then vacuum pump and roots pump will work automatically. Vacuum value increases. To stop the operation, just click the auto stop. Switch off the main circuit breaker. Close the electrical control box for next use. Thanks for watching FUOOTECH videos. Welcome to subscribe FUOOTECH.